Welcome, in front of me is a Sony Xperia 10 Mark V, and today I will show you how you can put this phone into recovery mode. So to get started, we'll need to turn off our device, so hold the power button and volume up, and then select power off. Now when the device turns off, hold your power button and volume down at the same time. Now if nothing shows up on the screen, I'm just going to let go of the power button and press it again. Once the Sony logo shows up, I'm just going to let go of the power button, and as you can see, this then brings us to the recovery mode. Now in here you'll need to use the volume buttons to navigate up or down depending on which volume button you press, and power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Now quickly going into the options here, we have reboot system now, which takes us back to Android. Reboot to bootloader, which presumably will boot us into fastboot mode just as the second option. Then we have apply updates from ADB or SD card, wipe data, mount system, relax, run tests, and power off. So I'm gonna stick with the first one, confirm it, and like I mentioned, this just brings me back to Android. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.